because you're about to see why.
What?
Lock in.
What is that? What is that? Is that supposed to be figure?
It stands a finger.
Yo, guys.
Also, bro's running is the goofiest thing ever, bro. Oh, frick, he's already triggered. You idiot.
I kinda did that.
You're supposed to get the presents. Ian, you're supposed to get the presents, not the books.
Someone lead him away from me.
Oh god, we need 24. We need 24.
Yeah, it becomes bigger every time. I was playing with a
Rahan, close the door and leave me alone.
I was playing.
Freak, I instantly walked. What? How? Wait, what? How? Wait, how did he get me? Wait, that's not even fair. Wait, how did he get me?
Revive. You got one revive, right?
Let's just kill ourselves.
Yeah, just kill ourselves, because like we just.
He literally walked through me to go to Jenga. He literally walked through me to go to Jenga.
Bro, that wasn't even fair. I was in the closet. Why did he kill me?
You guys get the top present first, because my figure gets faster.
I got a gift. Oh, freak, I accidentally went into the locker.
So basically, you're supposed to put the gift in the middle, and then like kind of like the boxes from the my shooter game thing, whatever the hell it's called.
Okay, fine.
Ollie, watch out! Ollie, watch out!
Ollie, he's going straight to you idiot! You're actually so stupid. Okay, anyways, figure. Where, dude?
Why does it play so different? Why is it so different?
Get the Glock!
I got.
It's my favorite item in the entire game. I love the Glock.
Why are the doors broken?
Yeah, why can I not open the doors?
I got the cheese! I got the cheese!
The cheese!
Donut.
Wait, donut? Where?
It's gone.
He ate it.
Does everyone get a flashlight? Because I've been getting the flashlight literally.
Yeah, same.
Okay, Jacob! Okay, Jacob, you go up, Ali go right, I'll go left.
Okay. Okay, no, the thing is, the last time, the reason I was so surprised why I died, I had my crucifix out.
Okay, that makes... Wait.
Maybe he's not able to be crucified.
No, he is.
Oh, and figure is going up. That's awesome.
Okay, me and Ali got one gift each.
I got a gift too, but it's gonna take me a while.
Yes.
Cause I'm at like the worst position in the map, basically.
Is he behind me? Where is he?
He's upstairs.
Okay, I got. I see another one.
Watch out!
Oh, freak.
He's coming.
He's going over
Get in closets if you have to.
Only if you have to, though, because I think there's a limit on how many.
The presence area is the safe spot.
Okay, I see. Oh, there's. Oh, it's just.
Oh my god, dude.
Dude, go away!
Bro, Screech looks like a freaking.
Guys, how much presents have you given? I've given like this is my 5th one.
Oh, frick.
What?
What?
Ambush? Why is ambush here? Someone tell me why the actual frick is ambush here.
Bro, I went in the closet and the figure heard me, so I had to run outside. Does ambush actually kill or not?
I didn't get hit by him, so I don't know.
I thought I heard 2 figures, bro. I thought there were 2 figures. I'm not even joking.
That would have been wild.
Yeah, okay, actually, I think I've gotten literally all of them from the left. Okay, yeah, I've gotten every single one on the left.
Right?
I've finished all the lefts. Wait, let me just check.
He's upstairs, he's going back downstairs.
Ooh, there's some coins. Yeah, we share gold!
Yeah, I'm getting gold.
Okay, he's going back up.
Oh shoot, he's coming back down. He's coming back down.
Okay, so you guys all got the from the left and the right. Yeah, he does come to the right. He does come to the right.
I'm gonna troll him. I'm trolling him. Okay, go. Get as many presents as you can. I'm decoying him. Get as much presents as you can. Ali, what are you doing?
Wait,
go, get presents. Oh.
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, he went directly towards me. God damn it, bro. Are you kidding me? Can I revive at least? No, bro, you can't revive. Are you
Guys,
kidding?
I'm setting the clock near the campfire. Okay, we'll beat this. We'll beat this for you.
It might give you the badge if we beat it. Frick ambush.
Crap.
Ali is not near any lockers. Oh, okay.
Yep, I'm dead.
Ambush didn't reach me.
Oh, yeah, Jacob's dead, by the way.
Oh, crap.
Yeah, that's so
I'll beat this myself, trust.
He's
yeah,
right
we
there! How did he get up there? How?
How did he teleport there, bro? This is the most broken game on earth, bro.
Bro, I hate ambush, bro. Ambush is so annoying.
At least he has a one-shot you, so that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, no, we need to beat this. It's meant to be like the entire game. Like, this is meant to be really hard. It's meant to take long and be really hard, so we need to beat it. Because it's not like one room. Like, the entire thing is to just get the badge.
Oh, there's more than just a figure room? Wait, Jacob, can I have the Glock? That's like my favorite item in the entire game.
Yeah, you can take it.
The Glock?
Well, I got a clock too.
Oh, the clock.
Oh my god.
Take it. Jacob,
Okay,
I-
listen, I
wait.
like the Glock. Okay. The Glock is-
Crucifix.
Oh, okay,
Crucifix, nice.
keep it with you. Keep it with you.
Wait, let me check the drawers.
Oh frick.
Moron.
I
Yep.
thought you were the figure and I kind of had a heart attack.
Guys, I died.
How did you already die?
How did you die?
Figure trapped me in a corner with a stupid AI path, which is somehow extremely broken.
Okay, frick you, Screech. Where did you even come from? Oh, frick, is he coming up here? Dude,
Yup.
Screech bit
Yup.
me and it forced me to
Did I not die?
This
Okay,
event is
good.
actually so funny.
No,
dude.
it's good.
Guys, can you die now? Because it's only like 4 presents. I really want to help out.
He started. Dude,
Should we
Screech.
kill ourselves?
Sure. Screech friggin'
Right.
bit me and it forced me to uncrown, so I stood up.
Jacob, when you die, it's so funny. Bro, ambush is the most annoying thing on earth.
Yo, guys, we got the 3rd light. What is that red? What is that red thing? What is that?
Just see ambush, he's freaking floating.
Dude, why is ambush always floats? What do you mean?
Crucifix again.
Wait, let me
Okay.
check over here.
Guys, you guys should give me
Beer!
crucifix.
I got the beer.
Here.
How do you keep getting crucifixes? I think
think it
Ali should have the
respawn very
crucifix because he keeps dying.
Well, yeah.
No, because he keeps getting good cornered. Okay, how about this, Ali? Oh, frick.
Hide off to the side for ambush.
Oh, what? So you have to get into a locker for him, basically. For ambush. Okay,
No,
I
you
had
don't.
to
You
drink
can
my
hide off
beer.
to the side. You can hide off to the side. I hide off to the side.
Where is he?
By the way, I got a donut. So if anybody's in desperate needs of healing.
I have all of the presents on
I
the
had
top
to
floor
drink
except for
my
one.
friggin'. I had to drink my beer. I'm actually
Where are you, Figure? I hear you.
Alright, Jacob, get all the ones on the 3rd floor into one place.
They are.
Go away. I'll help with the black hole.
Hey, what?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
He literally
Ollie.
walked into a corner.
Wait,
I'm
watch
gonna
out,
kill
watch
this
out.
guy. Okay, guys, come get my stuff. I have a crucifix, a donut, and
Okay,
a
Adam, you get the
vitamins
other
and a
crucifix.
flashlight.
Frick.
Yes.
Ooh.
That's him.
I have a job application! Leave me alone! I have a
Okay,
job
okay,
application! Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. That's when I died. He somehow walked into that. I don't know how.
I swear, this
Bro,
event's so
look.
goofy, dude.
Bro looked at the job application and ran.
Frick. Fricking. Oh, frick. Get to Walker. Get to Walker.
You kind of have to like wait to get into a locker because of ambush. Go away!
I thought you were figure. You actually like scared the crap out of me.
I think I heard the ambush.
I found the lost present. No
oh,
way.
he's
no
up!
way.
He's up! He's up! He's up! He's up here. So
I found the
gonna...
lost present. I found the lost
Nice.
present.
Okay, he's up here, so I'm gonna try and go down. I have the last present on me. Let's go! And I didn't even have to use my job application. Timed up. Peppy Mint Magic! Better run before the... Okay. I still got my job application, so...
Oh.
Yo!
Let's go, dude.
Silent
We
night.
did it.
You unlock
And we got a
access
buddy,
to
too.
purchase the Kringle Buddy in the store. What is the Kringle Buddy? Wait, what is the Kringle Buddy? Wait, go back to the lobby.
We got Kringle as a pet.
Oh, we got Kringle as a pet!
Wait, I need to buy some knobs real quick.
Wait, I need that. Wait. Hold on. Wait, where? Oh, Kringle Buddy skin? I'm buying that.
Wait, and there's chromas? That's actually hilarious.
Wait, what?
There's chromas from 2, that's actually
Wait, what's
funny.
chromos?
They're like skins for skins. Like recolors for skins.
Oh.
That's actually really funny.
I'm just gonna keep him green, to be honest.
And we got a special badge too.
Where is he? How do I like equip him? Oh, there he is.
A backpack and then.
Kringle! Where is he? He's not here. Oh my god!
Oh, he also got the badge. Look at.
This is like
Bro,
the.
he's so goofy.
This is kind of like the sea bunny.
Oh my god.
Doesn't this remind you of the sea bunny?
Yeah, it's like Doors' version of it. Also, he also got the badge. So that means he can buy it too.
Should I take out my Should I take out my jar? You know, the bucket of Starlight or whatever it's called.
Nah, we should keep that. God.
Wait,
God.
what is this? The aloe. Wait, what's the aloe and the rift
Oh, it's a new
jar?
healer. They're from the Outdoors update.
Just scratching myself. Wait, the rift jar's really cool. Wait. Oh yeah, by the way, to everyone watching this video, Happy New Year. My voice is kind of dying, so I'll try to keep this as short as possible. For this year, I want to set a goal of getting 100 subscribers this year. And yeah, I also stream on Twitch, primarily Geometry Dash, and I have a TikTok channel too. So make sure you go check those out. I could really use some support. I'm trying to beat Cataclysm. And yeah, thanks. See you some other day, I guess. I don't know.